مثل الجفن والعين كنا أنا وأنتي سألله أيام زمان يا ريت ما بعدتي مثل الجفن والعين كنا أنا وأنتي سألله أيام زمان يا ريت ما بعدتي لعيونك انت الأمان لقلبك انت الحنان لعيونك انت الأمان لقلبك انت الحنان معك نسيت الزمان كل الأمل كنتي معك نسيت الزمان كل الأمل كنتي
I gotta go opposite way because they're fixing the road. على اليمين. Okay. طيب, this is hilarious. I love this guy, man. He's got a different type of personality, which it's kind of it's hilarious, man. He's one of my best friends. He's my cousin at the same time. I consider him one of my best friends because he's always looking out, always looking out and looking after me and making sure. He's been through a lot as well. He took me, in one of the 3 or 4 hospital visits that I did. He was there with me, and man, I was in bad condition. I mean, you're talking about all of my muscles seizing up. I can't move, and I can't even stand, for God's sake. And this guy's like, and feeding me water and whatnot. So yeah, he's definitely been looking out for me, man, and he helped me a lot and made sure no one messes with me. And ever since he's on the back, giving me directions. So when I say things like give this video a thumbs up, guys. When I say things like that, it's not for me, man. Honestly, it's for my cousins, man. Because without my cousins, without my family here in Yemen, I can't do all the things that I'm doing. I can't do all the things I'm doing without my cousins, man. If I just had like regular, how can I say? If I just had like no one here, how could I crank out these videos? It'd be impossible. I couldn't, because I wouldn't know anybody. Where could I get a camera? Where can I get a motorcycle from? Without my family, without my cousins helping me out, man. And it's not just the Didis, it's everyone, man. Like, I have more than one cousin that live in the villages, and they all just come out, no questions asked, man. I'm telling you, it's crazy. That's the type of hospitality, the type of kindness and generosity these people have. They don't have nothing, but at the end of the day, they'll take time out their day, and they'll be like, all right, you want to go out and record? You want to ride a motorcycle? All right, let's go. No questions asked. Why? What are you doing it for? We need a motorcycle, man. Oh, it's dangerous, bro. Don't do it. No, none of that. They're just like, all right, let's go. They hop on the back, like, all right, be careful of this, be careful of that. Let's go. You know what I mean? They're like ride or die, man. I love these guys, man. They've done a lot for me, man. And this trip is making it a lot more easier now that I'm able just to keep my visor down. But when we get to the checkpoint, I'm gonna have to keep look at that view, guys. Look at that view right there, amazing. But when we get to the checkpoint or whatever, I'll have to let my visor up because of the Houthi rebels that are holding AKs. I gotta give them a certain level of comfort by unveiling my face. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I don't know, like, excuse me for this video. There'll be some moments where I'm not talking, and there's some moments where I won't be commentating. It'll be off and on. I mean, I could do the vlogger cut, but at the same time, I don't want you guys to be missing like the close calls, and this road is fun. It's fun to ride on. I want you guys to see all the things that I go through, during this trek. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like my 5th time on this road up to the village type ordeal on a motorcycle. I know what to do. I know what gear to be in. You know what I mean? I've gained a lot of experience just through those trips that I've gotten. I've been through a lot. You know what I mean? But this engine's going to be high revving because it's a 175cc bike, and it's me, it's these, and his laptop, and you know, the chain and the lock, and some other his clothes basically, because the semester is over, and he has like a 2-week break, whatever. So he doesn't like the city actually. He actually likes the village a bit more. So during his vacay or whatever, he doesn't like staying in the dorms. He likes going back to his home in the village and staying there. You know what I mean? I kind of don't blame him. He does not like the city, of course, man, because I mean, he's a villager. I mean, that's where he's from. He likes the village better. And this is super sketchy because of the dirt and stuff. You can easily slide out. Look at that view, guys. I mean, when you have a lower cc motorcycle and you're going up these hills, whatever, you gotta like feather the clutch and play with it, you know. That's the only way to get up these hills. Cause right there, I tried to go to first and it wouldn't let me. Now it's time to look at my visor. It's so relaxing to finally get a chance to see. Now I won't go to first. Now I won't go to second. It's so relaxing to go up the hill with your visor down and know. See, now it won't go to seconds. Alright, there it goes. Here comes the checkpoint. I've been to the checkpoint before. I just won't talk English though. See, luckily the drift is on the right hand side. It's on the left hand side. They can't see the camera. And if they did, I don't think they would say anything anyway. They just would be like, yeah, what do you want, dude? He's just recording for memories type ordeal, you know what I mean? But yeah, if you guys can recall back to the video I did with Adam, my other cousin, we came up here and we went through the checkpoint actually, and we just sat and played What's in the Bag on this ledge right here. I'll show you where it's at, and we faced this view. Also, a clip from the video I made called Make Up Your Mind, one of my prouder projects that I made here in Yemen. I actually made it up here too. I think I went up one more level, but I think Adis is yelling at me there, telling me be careful with passing the cars or whatever. It's dangerous. Yeah, he's right. See, I don't know how these bikes right there in front of me. I have a 175cc. It's one of the larger cc motorcycles here in Yemen, and I don't know how they be smooth with it, man. They be going up or whatever, and just killing it. You know what I mean? And like I'm struggling and stuff. You know, I'm in second gear right now, killing it, and it just won't go. And they're zooming up the hills. I'm like, how are they doing it? Like, they probably have smaller cc bikes than me. Like, I don't know, man. Like, help me in the comments. You okay? Help me in with the comments, guys, because I don't know how they're doing it. And their engine is not revving high either, because I know they're not in first gear. You know what I mean? Because if they're in first gear, that makes sense, because first gear pulls like crazy. But this bike is going to be super hot. We might have to take a break and probably once we get to the city up there. But anyways, we'll play What's in the Bag up there a little bit. I had to put it in first there. Check out these hills. First gear pools, y'all. I love first gear, dude. It's just that first gear is worthless other than going up a hill on these types of bikes, you know what I mean? You okay, Idris? He's moving. I'm asking if he's okay because I feel him moving behind me, like the bags and stuff. I'm gonna ask him if he's alright. This guy's holding AKs. Look at that view, guys. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, that's so crazy. Like, those bikes bounced on me. And I know I got a passenger stuff. Some of them actually had a passenger too, but they were pulling, yo. Like, how do they do that? So, look at that view, guys. Look at that view. Look at that view. I think they like when they approach the hills, they come in with some speed like this. That's probably what they're doing, you know what I mean? But even that, man, that's skill, man. Like, we want to talk about skill. I mean, these guys got skill over here, man. And to think about, they're doing all of these challenges that on a motorcycle is supposed to be hard. Yes, that's true. But they're doing it on a standard Chinese motorcycle. They don't even have the proper dual sports or the proper dirt bikes, you know, and the proper, you know, that's crazy, man. Think about that, right? Yes. We gotta stop here because we'll let these cars pass by because they're fixing the road, and that's why there's rocks on each side, so we can't pass. We gotta wait for these cars to pass first.